Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set, 33 PCS, Nonstick Silicone Cooking Kitchen Utensils Spatula Set with Holder, Wooden Handle Silicone Kitchen Gadgets Utensil Set, Khaki. Food-grade silicone made of food-grade silicone, BPA-Free, can use in any type of food. And it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. No bend and no break and healthy for cookware. Our kitchen utensils are more sturdy than other usual wooden kitchen utensils, ensures daily use for a long time without being worn down. Designed not to bend, break or rust. We are committed to providing each customer with the highest standard of customer service. High temperature withstand. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand high temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit per 230 degrees Celsius. All-around silicone added to the softness. No longer worry food will stick your cookware. Silicone head protect your pans, keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented, extend the life of all your kitchen pans. 33 durable wooden handle kitchen utensil set anti-scalding protect your hand from burning. 33 professional silicone kitchen utensil set includes flexible spatula, soup lid. Thanks for watching and subscribe.